Today I fitted a voltmeter to my 1990 Suzuki Quad Runner. I've fitted a little voltmeter to the ignition block here. You can't see anything in the dark at the moment because it'll light up when I turn the key on. You can see there it's showing a battery voltage of 12.3. It comes on when the neutral light's on and it goes off when the neutral light's off. It's just wired across the neutral light, picking up the voltage across the neutral light. If I go ahead and start the bike, you'll see the charge voltage has come up because the bike's now running. Turn the ignition off again. It drops back to just the battery voltage, and if I go into reverse, it goes off. The reverse light comes on, but the battery, the voltage is no longer being measured. Go back into neutral and we see the voltage there again. This is a little voltmeter that I got from Banggood. It cost literally $6. It's got a couple of spade terminals on the back, and I wired it across the wires going to the neutral light, which is an ignition signal and a ground if the bike's in neutral. My ignition key here is a replacement one as well. I'd rebuilt this whole box because it was smashed. You'll see that in some of my other videos. Turn the ignition off and it's all off and finished.